నుండి బువ్వను తీస్తే కమ్మాగుందని తిన్నరు. బురదా బట్టల రైతును చూసి దూరం ఉండని అన్నారు. చెమటా చుక్కల సత్తువతోని పుడమి పురుడు పోసుకున్నది. కంటి పాపల కావలిలోనే పంట రాసి నెలకొన్నది. వందనాలు రైతన్నా నీకు వందనాలన్నా, నీ రెక్కాడకుంటే బుక్కెడు బువ్వే లేదన్నా.
Good morning to everyone. I am Molesty from 10th standard in City English Medium High School.ai. Today I am going to speak few words about National Farmers Day. At the elementary level, we all thought that farmer is someone who sows seeds and harvests crops. While it is emotionally true, for you and the future engineers, economists and policymakers, it is an insufficient definition. Today on the Farmers Day, I want to reframe how we view the agriculture sector. We are not just celebrating tradition today. We are celebrating the world's most complex, appealing science. As it goes, farming is the management of energy conversion. A farmer is essentially an engineer, manages the most vital chemical reaction on earth, which is photosynthesis. The facilitate the process of photosynthesis is taking solar energy and inorganic matter and it convert it into light energy and organic matter. The law of thermodynamics is the civilization of which ran out of the civils and energy. The sites of smart farming. To the science students, here it is. Farming is the future is not a tractors. It is the precision agriculture. Modern farms are becoming data centers and the sensors in the solar measures the nitrogen level and moisture content in the soil. We are seeing that rise of autonomous drones in the pollination and pesticide spraying. The farmers of the future is much as data scientist or an agronomist. The economic imperative, common students, agriculture is the baseline of our economy. You cannot build, but there is a challenge for farming for 100 crores or we are feeding. So by 2050, we are expecting that the research nearly 100 or 1000 crores. So we need to produce roughly 60 to 70% of food from today, but we need some with less land or water. This is not a political problem. It is mathematical or engineering impossibilities unless we innovate. Today, I am not asking you to simply respect farmers. I am asking you to collaborate with them for the future careers. If you are a biologist, research on the regeneration of soil. If you are an engineer, design better insurance model for the crop failures. The farmers put the seeds in the ground. It is up to you to build the seeds and sufficient sustenance of our economy. Let us honor to hands our with using our whole support for them. Thank you for giving me such a great opportunity.